Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome back to another scam busting episode. Guys, today we are trying out idle panning, okay? So if you don't know what idle panning is, essentially it's an app that promises you real life riches for, I guess, trying out an idle app, okay? If you've never heard of an idle app, it's apparently, I don't know if this is idle. I really don't know if this is idle, number one. I think this app's a scam straight up. Like, look. I just won $5.82 apparently straight off the bat, okay? Cool, I'll take that. I mean, why not? The real question is, though, are you ever going to get paid out this money? Guys, I'm going to tell you something right now. From the bottom of my heart, there is literally no sound on this app right now for me. I don't know why. But yeah, listen to me. Any app that promises you real-life money, but has a $200 USD cash-out minimum, and promises you PayPal rewards, Amazon rewards, or Google Play rewards is more than likely a scam. I'm just telling you right now, you can tell a scam app a million miles away, dude. And this app is ringing so many bells, it's unbelievable, okay? So right now, I'm getting $5.84 per the drops, okay, of these little ores, alright? Now, I have to watch an ad every time. So, let's think about this logically here. How many times have we seen apps try and pull this garbage, dude? I'm going to have to accept it, though. I have no choice. Lucky Party. Oh, my God, Lucky Party. How do I mute this ad? Dude, I hate ads. I hate ads. I hate ads that you can't mute, okay? Anyway, besides the point. Idle panning. It's a scam. I'm calling it now. It's a scam, everyone. Prove to me that this app is not a scam. I want to see payments. I want to see payments, everyone. And I don't mean one payment. I want to see hundreds of payments. Developer, if you're watching this, which you would be, I've had a lot of developers watch my apps and be upset at me. I couldn't care less, dude. Prove to me this app's not a scam. Because the scam bells are ringing loud, brothers and sisters. We got problems here. We got big problems, okay? Idle panning is an app that I believe is just trying to scam you guys out of watching ads. The whole goal of this application is for you all to watch ads. Please don't get it twisted, okay? Do not get it twisted. We're already at $16 apparently. I don't know how. But watch an ad and get 4,000 gold. See what I mean? It just never ends. It never ever ends, everyone, with the ads. Like, it just... Why? Why, dude? Why do these apps exist? I have to watch... No, I don't have to watch a video ad. I guess because there's a video ad on the screen already, though. Look, there's already a prompt for an ad on the screen. Whatever. So I just leveled up my team, apparently, so I have an extra member on my team. See, this app could actually be okay if it wasn't promising the fact that there's real-life money. So that's where you lose me. Developers, why take that leap? There you go, there it is. I was waiting for it. There's the ad, everyone. Watch an ad, collect the money. No, thanks. No. This is rigged. This is one fix. The whole thing is fixed. It reeks of scam. I press escape on the ad and it plays an ad. Does that not show you how desperate these developers are to get you to watch their advertisements, everyone? It's a joke. It's an absolute joke. The more ads they spit out at you, right? The more that they get money. Look, see, collect. It just every time collect. They even give the no thanks to timer, so you just automatically assume you're gonna press it. Look, another ad prompt. There's another ad prompt top right corner of the screen. Little tapping mini game here. Look, as I said, these apps I can imagine are actually good, but then the developers go that scummy mile and try and get you to expect real life money. Why do that, developers? Why? Just create a game, bro. Put in-game purchases put in-game purchases in there. Don't scam your viewers. Sorry, I'm so used to being a YouTuber. Don't scam the people that play your app. It's just pathetic. Look at these ads, dude. Look at these prompts I'm getting. What is going on right now? I got an ad anyway. I say no thanks and I get an ad anyway. Screw you, dude, with your glasses and your fake money, you absolute scrub. Get off my screen. I'm just so full of hatred for these apps at this point. It eats me up, dude. It eats away at my soul. My soul gets close to these scam apps and it just screams, man. Just freaking screams. I just want to punch the screen right now. I want to punch my computer screen. I've had enough. I've had enough of these apps that promise real life money. It infuriates me. They're not real. But the reason I do it... Oh, here we go. Here's the idle aspect of it, apparently. Oh, yeah, that's great, man. Anyway, the reason why I do play these apps is to show you all what's out here and to avoid it. Guys, I'm praying you watch this video first before you gave this app a try. Because bad news, everyone, these apps are fake. That's it. I mean, the tone of this app is just absolute scam central, okay? Free, buy, okay? I just bought something then. $4.66, watch an ad. Don't play this, guys, please. Please. It just reeks of ad, like, a scam. Reeks of ad spam, number one, and just a pure scam. As I said, there are upgrades, it looks like, in this as well, so it's not like it's a bad app. This app would be pretty decent if it wasn't trying to scam you guys into thinking you're winning real money. Then an ad just comes up. I press escape, and an ad comes up. Why is this lady crying? Seriously, get it. Oh, I'm about to lose my marbles, dude. What's this app now? Block Go. Sure, I'll give Block Go a try. Dude, I love ripping these scam apps to shreds, though. It's so fun. It is so fun. It's even better when developers come on my apps under fake accounts and try to start trouble with me, calling me a scammer, saying I'm trying to steal money. Yeah, I'm trying to steal money from an app that doesn't give money. Are you an idiot? Seriously, dude, grow up. You go back to your. No, I'm not gonna go there. I was gonna lose my marbles just then. That's okay. I'll keep it cool, everyone. It's almost the weekend, everyone. YouTube's not my full-time job just yet. But if you guys keep watching me and supporting me, maybe we'll get there eventually. And I can spend all my life busting these scaps. Scaps! Oh, no! Scaps, yes. I like that. Scaps. Let's quickly collect all this. This is the app, by the way. This is all there is, dude. Excellent. Constant prompts of money. That's it. Yeah, that's a great sign that it's going to be a legitimate app, bro. You can upgrade your miner, upgrade your mining speed, mineral research. There is no real life money here. $32 PayPal. I need $200 for a minimum cash out. Guys, please, if you have any if you literally have any expectations of real life money, you will never get it from this app. That's it. I can promise you. That's my guarantee. That's my guarantee. You will never get it. Word Link, Letter Puzzle, another letter puzzle app. So many of these scam apps out there. It just kills me. What would you do right now? Like, if you were expecting to win real life money, you just spent 10 months on this game. Because that's what it's going to take. It's probably going to take you 10 months to get to $200. And then nothing happens. You're never allowed to withdraw because you have other objectives. Like, it'll make you watch 10,000 ads. Like some other apps have done. Seriously, bro. Either way, I'm done. I'm done with this app. It's 8 minutes. I only like posting 8-minute videos. It gives me enough time to actually get paid for my videos, which is nice. And it allows me to actually rant and rave just that sweet amount. Don't try this scum app. Delete it from your phone. Delete it from wherever. Go try and find a legitimate app, guys. Check my channel out for legitimate apps. Catch you around. See you later next time.